the all-new Rockford Fosgate Stage-3 audio kit, purpose-built for select 2024 and newer Jeep Wrangler models, including 2- and 4-door options, as well as 4xe models. This all-encompassing, everything-included kit delivers a fully integrated audio solution, giving your adventures an epic soundtrack. Whether cruising South Beach or trail riding in Moab, this exclusive solution is designed to provide the soundtrack to your adventure. The 1800-watt audio kit delivers high-output sound and ensures an epic listening experience with a customized Jeep-specific tune. Designed and engineered to complement the factory interior, this no-holds-barred approach combines form and function at every level, no matter the terrain. Now, let's run through what's included. The Amplified kit features a single 12-inch high-output subwoofer that is controlled by an in-dash adjustable bass knob, front 6.5-inch coaxial speakers, front 1-inch tweeters, and 2 pre-tuned amplifiers, all orchestrated by a specifically tuned digital signal processor that ensures a best-in-class listening experience. Next, let's talk fit, finish, and design. You will immediately notice the premium look and feel of this audio kit, especially with its integrated OEM-style enclosure and factory-grade connections. The integrated base level controller seamlessly flushes into the dash, extenuating the high-end feel. Finally, everything in this system is element ready. As we know, this system is going to see its fair share of water, dust, and mud. But don't worry, any outdoor elements you encounter won't be an issue, no matter where the adventure takes you.